Hey, I'm so tired. Me and William are about to head out to the airport to go to Boston this weekend. Just trying to make some breakfast. I'm so tired. We went out last night for Halloween. It was okay, but my body's exhausted. We only had like 3 hours of sleep, so I'm hoping to catch some Z's on the plane.
William and I made it to our boarding gate with plenty of time. I don't know if anyone else is like this, or maybe it's because I'm from Atlanta and we have the busiest airport, but I'm such an anxious flyer that I have literally no chill up until we're in the air and flying. Powered through though, took a bunch of naps, and the views were super pretty. After 2 flights and a layover, we finally made it to Boston on our own and got to our hotel. The hotel was really nice and we had a pretty neat view on the edge of the wharf. Didn't stick around too long though, since we wanted to head to Faneuil Hall to find dinner and shop around a bit. I've never been to Boston before this trip, so I was super excited to go out and explore. I was pleasantly surprised to find out how walkable everything was. The hotel concierge gave us so many recommendations before we left. The architecture was beautiful and old. We definitely did not see as many skyscrapers as there are in Atlanta. It was cute and close-knit despite Boston being a major city. We made our way to Faneuil Hall, which seemed to be a large food hall with tons and tons of vendors and an outlet mall. The place was swarming, of course, for a Saturday night. Because I was in New England, I really wanted to get my hands on some seafood. And I heard that there's not really a bad place you can get lobster rolls here. I got the hot butter Maine lobster roll, and William got some clam chowder.
Clam chowder. We were just walking around Faneuil Hall for a moment, and I tried a lobster roll for the first time. Very yummy. And then we walked around the little gift kiosk. I didn't really find that much. I did buy a Boston sweatshirt that's like yellow. Look, we got some boba. I got a honeydew milk tea with boba. We got some takoyaki. William got a Thai milk tea with boba.
Alright guys, we got back to the hotel after we finished shopping and we've just been chilling. And I got this fun box at, what was it called? Newsbury Comics at near Faneuil Hall. And it's like this. It's this one. It's called Line Dog. And I remember when I was younger, I used to use like this Asian messaging app called Line. And I think this might be the same one as like their sticker designs. And so these are the different options. It's two doggies and they're like lovey-dovey. Which one do I want? I really like this one where they're hugging each other while they're reading, and I don't know, one of them is like attached to them. I think that's cute. So let's see what I got. I am so excited. I'm gonna put this on my desk. Okay, little card. So cute. Oh, very double duty. Okay. Oh my gosh, the anticipation is building now. What did I get? Oh my gosh, look! It is so cute! What is it? It's one of the dogs laying in bed and the other dog is cuddling it.
Me and William are about to head out. We're wearing kind of coordinating outfits. We're wearing all black with some sparks of red, pops of red. Now we're gonna head out into the town, grab some breakfast, and then walk around central Boston.
Sunny Girl, and I obviously got the Sunny Girl. That's good. Yummy, yummy. Me and William stopped at a park really quick so that I could rest my feet. We just went through Granary Burial Grounds and saw Paul Revere's grave. We also saw Sam Adams' grave and Ben Franklin's parents' graves.
John Hancock.
Yeah, we saw John Hancock's grave. It was like
Memorial.
comically bigger
And phallic.
and phallic than the other burial grounds. But now we stopped at what is this called? Boston Commons.
Yeah, we're at the
We're on like the
Boston
Freedom
Commons.
Trail, and we're just like stopped in front of this fountain.
I was really hoping to check out their frog pond, but unfortunately it was closed and empty for the season. We did run into some really cool statues though, like this one I think is an embrace amongst hands. And there was a really lovely and inspiring quote behind it too. We also saw a lot of like historical statues and figures, and that was really cool. This was on the Freedom Trail. The weather was absolutely perfect in Boston this time of the year. The sun was shining bright and the leaves were changing colors, the birds were out chirping. It was peak fall weather in Boston, and I gotta say, it is stunning, especially walking through this park. Just when you thought it couldn't get any prettier, we walked into the Boston Public Gardens, and I was stunned about how gorgeous it was. The wind was making the leaves fall in such a perfect way, the water was sparkling, there was music playing everywhere. I felt like I was in a movie.
Yeah. Turn and face to me. You're so pretty. Oh, it's not much punch though.
On a side note, this random lady we saw on a bridge saw us making cute shadows in the water, and we made a heart, and she thought it was so cute that she offered to take a photo of us. How sweet is that? Like, yes, I want a picture. I'm so glad you asked. I'm still thinking about that to this day post trip. After finishing up at the park, I wanted to do some more shopping at Newsbury Street. Didn't have much luck though, since we quickly realized the street is where a lot of the luxury brands and retail store resides. I was more thinking of gift shops and local boutique stores for souvenirs and gifts. We made our way forward anyhow and walked up and down this street. I ended up finding this jewelry stand with a huge selection. I managed to walk away with some rings and earrings. We also found our way to the Boston Public Library, which is said to be incredibly beautiful. I was in awe of how beautiful and grandeur the artwork was. This was not like any library I've ever been to for sure. William just got a new phone, so here's us trying out the dual feature on his camera. We look so silly. Again, I can't leave Boston without trying all the seafood they had to offer, so I convinced William to come with me to this restaurant called Salty Girl that I found online because they have really good oysters. I wanted it all. One thing about me is that I'm a seafood gal. I can never get enough of it. We went all in and got the seafood tower, which had shrimp tails, crab legs, poke, oysters, and clams. So delish. I loved. So good. I love it. We got an oyster here. I'm gonna put some cocktail sauce. Homemade chili sauce. Cheers. So yummy. I was still hoping to find some gifts and souvenirs, which I had no luck doing, but I want to do before we leave Boston. So I proposed that we go on a different street nearby, and I was craving another matcha, so that was a necessary stop I had to make.
So hard to hold still.
After a long day of shopping and walking around all day and all of that seafood that we ate, we really wanted a nice and easy meal close to our hotel. Before this, we'd heard that the North End was actually known for its Little Italy, so it was only fitting that we ate at an Italian restaurant. So we stumbled across this small Italian restaurant, and they sat us almost right away, and the food was delicious. Today we checked out of our hotel since we were planning on heading to Cape Cod that evening. Before that though, we met up with William's family and we set our sights out to explore the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum. I was so excited. I've already seen videos of it online while I was researching Boston, so I already knew that it was going to be pretty.
Sem anistia, sem anistia, a verdade vai te alcançar. Chega de engolir mentira, de calar na covardia. Não é vingança, é justiça no olhar. Pode fugir, mas não vai se apagar sem anistia, sem anistia. Oh, oh, pode chorar. Sem anistia, sem anistia. A verdade vai te alcançar. Chega de engolir mentira, de calar na covardia. Não é vingança, é justiça no olhar. Pode fugir, mas não vai se apagar sem anistia, sem anistia. Pode chorar. Sem anistia, sem anistia. A verdade vai te alcançar.
Made it to Cape Cod yesterday. Ignore our messy bed, we just woke up. But this is my outfit. I went for like a more preppy vibe. I feel like that's only fitting. I'm just wearing like a polo Ralph Lauren button down underneath, and this sweater I got from Goodwill. And I also have this flowy skirt on, and then some tights in my Birks because I don't want to wear my boots. They've been killing me, so not worth it.
Cape Cod was gorgeous as expected. The water was bright and blue and there were several boats in the water. We got to stay in a cottage right by the water, which was sweet. It was out of a fairy tale, actually. And outside of the inn's main entrance, they placed a bunch of pumpkins along the staircase. It was so cute and I was so impressed. They even had a 165-pound pumpkin sitting outside too. time was also a great opportunity for me to spend some time with William's family, who were nice enough to invite me on this trip. I got a chance to get to know them a little bit more and meet his aunt and uncle, who I've never met before this. Of course, we wanted to do some more shopping and explore town, so we headed downtown to Main Street where all the local shops and restaurants were. We were there during the off season, so thankfully it wasn't crowded at all. Everyone on the Cape were really nice and more than willing to have conversations with us about the town, what brought them there, and their family. It was certainly a cute town that had charm. William and I have just been shopping around Chatham, and we just got back to the bar, back to the inn, and we've just been taking pictures. But look at how pretty it is. It's unreal. That night, while we were trying to figure out dinner plans with the whole family, William's uncle insisted that we sit down and try some wine that he's been collecting from 1993 and a champagne. Now, I was rocking with that idea. I got a little tipsy, or a lot tipsy. Best of all, we also had plenty of cheese and crackers to go with it. We sat by the fireplace in our hotel. I was feeling pretty bougie at this point and enjoying myself on our last night. That concludes my trip. I had a lot of fun and I feel inspired to go to even more places in the next year. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you.